Emily here. So welcome back to my channel. I have a rose gold eels unboxing video and I'm super excited. It came in this huge box, so I'm not so why it came in the big box, but like I said, no, it was protected good. But yeah, they actually sold them on the Disney show, and I made sure I got a pair because they've been so popular. I love rose gold, and I've just like been like eyeballing it on Instagram and whatever, and I just really wanted it. And when I saw it was online, I had to get it. When it came up to shipping and all that stuff, it was like $32 altogether. So but I had to though. It was like $24 without all the tax and shipping together, but I had to get it, so I'm gonna unbox it. I'm super excited, and sorry for the bad lighting. It is nighttime and I literally just came back from the Disney show. So yeah, so expect a Disney haul soon with my friend. We're gonna I'm gonna film it right after this. But yeah, and also, do you like my hat? His Sally. So in here, oh my god, it has a whole bunch of bubble wrap. So it has a whole bunch of bubble wrap in here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. So here it is. The wrapping paper is so cute. Let me pull it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how freaking pretty this is. Oh my god. So it came in this huge box, but it came in with this like cute wrapping paper, which I'm definitely gonna keep. Look at it. It has a whole bunch of like Disney movies here, and it's so cute. You guys see that wrapping paper? It's so cute. Okay, let's get to the main part. Oh my god. So my rose gold eels. Oh my god, this is super cute. So yeah, I love how it just didn't come in like a bag kind of type of thing. You get what I mean? Not like a box. Because my hat came in one of those, and I thought it would come in the box, but it didn't. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Look how pretty that is. So pretty, so metallic-y, like the bow and sparkles. Oh my god, this is so cute. So you could definitely tell it was from Disney World or Disneyland. Look and see. If you don't know, they price it by colors at the parks, so that's how you know if this actually came from the parks or not, because this actually came from the park. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm in love. Oh my gosh, it's Disney Parks here. It's actually backwards, but oh my god, these are so cute. These are so cute. So now I have Sally eels, I have rose gold eels, and then I have another eels which I just got at the Disney show. It has like a blue metallic bow to it, and it's like black and sparkly. Oh my god, so now I have 3 eels. Well, 4 eels, counting my old one I got when I was little. But yeah. My god, it's so cute. I love this. Should I try it on? Should I? Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how cute. I'm like, how's the camera? Oh my god. This is so cute. I'll show you guys a video in the sun so you guys can like see them like better. But oh my god, yes, I freaking love them. So here's the rose gold eels in the sun. I love them. They're so sparkly and they are just perfect. So yeah, definitely recommend. Do a zoom in so you guys can really see really good. See, isn't that so pretty? Thank you guys so much for watching.